24 hours is all it takes to change your life. And that's what this video is going to be about. Now, I used to work a 9 to 5 job back in the UK, and then I completely changed my life around. And now I live here in Dubai, make well over 6 figures a year and have complete financial freedom. And now a lot of people hire me to help them start an online business that's generated them thousands and thousands of dollars online. And in today's video, I'm going to basically break it down why 24 hours is literally all it takes to change your life. Because a lot of people think it takes years and years and years to actually change your life. But the truth of the matter is, it only takes 24 hours, if not less, to completely change your life. Now guys, let me give you a quick background on me. I used to work a 9 to 5 job back in the UK to the point where it was very difficult. I hated waking up. I hated going into work. I hated seeing my boss. I hated coming home with $2,000 a month. I hated my life, right? And it was one decision I took, literally one small decision where I was like, you know what? I am going to make that decision where I'm going to quit my 9 to 5 job, pack my bags and move to Dubai, right? And I made this decision in less than 24 hours. Now, what that did was basically open up more doors, right? So think of it like when you take one small decision, it opens up a few more doors. So I said, yeah, I'm gonna quit my 9 to 5 job, I'm gonna move to Dubai, and I'm gonna find a job here which would allow me to stay here, right? So I made that decision. Now, obviously what that did was open up the possibility of me actually moving here. So obviously when I moved to Dubai, right? Now I've got more range of possibilities, more range of options. I applied for many, many jobs, right? And I basically didn't get any. I was very close to a few, but I didn't get any. But what ended up happening from that one decision that I made was then I went full in on my online business, right? Because I was doing an online business at the time, but it wasn't generating me a lot of money. I was making around 500 to £1,000 a month, right? Which wasn't enough to survive with. So I was doing that, and then I decided, you know what? I can't find a job. My back is against the wall. I need to go full in on my online business. So that's what I did. So I went full in on my online business, worked really hard, obviously changed businesses a few times, and now I make well over 6 figures a year living here in Dubai. Life's completely changed and everything's amazing, right? And this is what I'm trying to say to you guys. 24 hours is literally all it takes to change your life. And it's not just that 24 hours will change your life. It's more so that when you make that one decision in 24 hours, you open up more doors, right? So for example, let's say you want to quit your 9 to 5 job. Okay, cool. You quit your 9 to 5 job. Now you've got many other possibilities in front of you. Okay, start an online business, start a physical business, start freelancing, whatever it is. You open up more doors, if you understand what I'm saying. Like any decision you take, any chance you take on yourself, you start opening more doors. And that's why I say to you guys, 24 hours, genuinely speaking, right? If you decided now, like, okay, your intention is maybe to start an online business. If you decided that now, well, the whole trajectory of your life changes because you're no longer just sitting there, procrastinating, making excuses or, playing video games or watching Netflix, doing all these dumb things. You're no longer doing that. You've now made that decision that you want to change your life. And what tends to happen just by making that one small decision, the trajectory of your life changes. And even just having the intention of starting something and like genuine intention. I don't mean like motivation intention, right? Which a lot of people do, where they have a motivation one day, oh, I want to, start an online business, change my life. Then the next day they watch Netflix, play video games, go out, right? I'm not talking about a random burst of motivation. I mean a genuine intention that you make today that says, you know what, I want to start an online business, I want to change my life. Now, just a quick one, guys. If you are looking to start an online business that can genuinely change your life, where you can make well over 6 figures a year by starting the One Skill Consulting business model, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now, guys, if you're working a 9 to 5 job, or maybe you have your own coaching business, or maybe you have a physical business, right? Whatever it is that you're doing, if you want to change your life, if you want to do something different, you have to make the intention that you're going to do something different. Because guys, once you've made that intention, again, as I said, you open up more doors, right? So you now start doing something else. So let's say you've made the intention to start an online business. Okay, cool. You might book in a call with me, or you might want to book in a call with someone else. But the point is, you'll then take that action. What then happens? You might join my program, or you might, again, join someone else's program, whatever it is. Once you join the program, cool, you start learning things, you start implementing things, you start making money, you start making 10K a month. Now you're at a point where you're making, let's say, 10 grand a month. You now want to scale. So you now decide to either work with me on a long-term basis, or maybe you sign other mentors, or you hire other mentors. You go from 10K a month, now you're making 30K a month, now you're making 100K a month. Like your whole trajectory of your life completely changed from that one day where you made the decision that you are going to change your life and you're going to start an online business. This is how fast life can change. And 24 hours, guys, genuinely speaking, is all it takes. Because Now, if you say to yourself, right, you're working a 9 to 5 job, for example, and you don't make any decisions that you want to do something different, what's going to happen? You're just going to do the same thing over and over and over again. Like I say to people, right, your life is not going to change unless you decide you want it to change. And most people, again, think that it takes years and years and years. And yeah, to a certain extent, it does, right? If you don't do things correctly, if you do things in a really long way, it can take years and years and years. But if you make that one small decision now and you keep making these small decisions, they compound. They compound massively. And you guys end up coming to a place where you're like, wow, these small decisions completely changed my life. And again, I go back to me. When I talk about how my life, where I was working 9 to 5 job, where I was struggling, going into work, really, really struggling and really hating it, right? Coming home with like 2 grand a month. I could barely pay my bills, to a point now where I live here in Dubai, in the city of my dreams, by the way, comfortably, make well over 6 figures a year. I can work wherever I want. I have utmost freedom, right? I don't need to wake up to an alarm clock anymore. And all of that's happened just because of that one decision that I made, that I am going to quit my 9 to 5 job and move to Dubai. And to be honest, if I even go deeper on that, I actually moved here to find a job, right? And initially, I was actually going to do a real estate job. And that was kind of my intention. I was like, okay, cool, they can sort my visa out. I'll come here on a commission-only role, and then I'll work on that, and then I'll work on my online business. And then when I didn't get the real estate job, right, I thought, you know what, let me just move here anyway. Worst case scenario, I'll try find a job, right? And obviously when I came here, I couldn't find a job, so I had to work on my online business. But it's funny how that one decision of coming here and trying to make something work completely changed my life. And I look back now and I think, if I didn't make that one decision, I would still be working a 9 to 5 job right now in the UK, which is crazy to say, but just because of that one decision, my whole life changed. And that's literally why I'm making this video, because a lot of you guys, right, you might be working a 9 to 5 job right now, and you might be looking at your future self thinking, I want to make money online, I want to live in Dubai or the city of your dreams, and you want to be financially free, you want to have freedom, right? You want to work when you want, where you want, how you want. And you might be looking at that future version of yourself thinking, man, it's going to take a long time, it's going to take years, I'm going to have to fail along the way, X, Y, and Z. Guys, it doesn't take a long time, right? Because again, just over 2 years ago, I was working a 9 to 5 job in the UK. My life completely changed in literally just over 2 years. In fact, much less than that, right? It's just been over 2 years since I moved. So in essence, my life really changed in 6 months to a year. But the point I'm trying to make to you guys is that you can change your life just by making that one decision. 24 hours, in 24 hours, right? If you decide, okay, cool, I am making the intention to change my life, and you start taking action towards it. So for example, hiring a mentor, which I 100% recommend, because that's also what changed my life. That was also another small decision that it led to, because when I moved to Dubai, when I couldn't land a job and I was doing YouTube full time, I wanted to hire a mentor to start a coaching business, right? Which is obviously what I teach. And again, just a quick one, if you do need any help starting the One Skill Consulting business model, which is essentially a coaching business, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you. But yeah, guys, as I said, I hired a mentor. That was another small decision that it led me to, because if I didn't move to Dubai, maybe I wouldn't have hired a mentor, right? So I have to look at all these small decisions and where it led me. It's kind of like the butterfly effect, where one small decision changes the whole course of your future. And it's so, so true. So guys, make a decision, hire a mentor, implement everything the mentor tells you to do, and you can completely change your life, guys. Honestly, I can't stress this enough, because it's completely changed my life. It's also changed a lot of my clients' lives as well. For example, I helped a 16-year-old recently who signed around 2-3 clients, just over a month of working with me, which is absolutely crazy. And not only that, I had a 20-year-old at the time who made over 25 grand from his first YouTube video, and a bunch of other testimonials, which you can check out on my testimonial channel. But again, guys, if you want to start the One Skill Consulting business model, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. Let's jump on a call. Let me show you exactly how I can actually help you. Or alternatively, guys, if you want to know this business model in a little bit more detail, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.